What's up, YouTube? What's up, DM Mafia? Yeah, it's your boy DOLCE.
And it's your girl Nesha.
And we back with another video. You already know what it is, a lit video. You gotta have to move that over there so we can move this right so they can see it.
Move what? Wait. This?
Yeah, this.
Oh.
Y'all, today we back with a seafood boil with just crab legs. This ain't a boil?
No, this not a boil.
It ain't a boil, but well, it's crab legs.
Yeah, it's just, crab legs and little
seafood
salad.
mukbang, you feel me? I don't know if y'all can see it, but hopefully y'all can, you hear me?
We was in the middle of eating and we thought about y'all, you know?
Thought about y'all like, we might as well do a mukbang for them.
Why not?
Why not, you hear me?
Y'all know we always thinking about y'all.
Y'all, this is what I want y'all to do in the comments. Y'all, I want y'all to comment what y'all like about me and Nesha. That's what I want y'all to comment.
And some questions because our Q&A thing disappeared.
Yeah, that's why we can do our Q&A because it disappeared.
Yeah, we about to do a Q&A. A Q&A mukbang, but.
So y'all can comment y'all Q&As down here, or y'all can, matter of fact, I'm gonna go to the community again.
Okay. So just tell us what y'all like about us. But they tell us what they don't like about us?
Yeah, they can tell us whatever. Y'all opinion, what's y'all opinions about us? About me and Nesha, you feel me? As a couple, as everything,
visual, as a wife, as a husband, as a mother, as a father. Any advice y'all want to give us? Alright, we can have about what?
How we met, part 2. They been asking for it.
That one how we met though, we ended. Oh, dude, we probably did the how we met at the beginning. But we ended off with that night you was mad at me.
Oh, yeah.
At your performance. And
oh, yeah.
The ending question was, did we do it that night?
Did we though?
Duh.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
It was good too, probably.
Bang, bang!
Bang, bang. That's our beginning too. You ain't even tell them the story though.
Yeah, that's good.
You gonna tell them the story?
Again?
Or we can just tell them something else?
Oh, we gonna tell the story again?
Man, you got to.
It's part 2.
If y'all want to see, if y'all want to know down, well, we already did a video.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put the linkers on part 1 in there.
Yeah. The link to part 1 to be in the description down below, y'all.
But we gotta tell them more than that. Like, what else? I gotta think, like.
Yeah, we just do a whole different story time.
Alright, so what?
I don't know, y'all. I'm eating. This is a spare of the moment, y'all. We decided to just do a little quick mukbang for y'all.
It ain't seasoned how you do it, but it's alright.
It's cold, yeah. I mean, it ain't no DOLCE work.
He a hater, y'all. I did my design. Usually when I make crab legs, he usually make the crab legs though. Last time I made them, he just seasoned them. But this time I just totally did it on my own. If y'all don't know by now, crab legs is like our favorite. And if you didn't know, now you know.
But, what story time we gonna talk about? I gotta take my ring off, y'all. I don't like wearing my ring while I'm doing this, eating this crab leg. It's uncomfortable.
It be sliding.
Yeah, it be sliding, but it be, hey, look at this, y'all.
I hate these little skinny ones. Absolutely.
Dip that in that butter like that, that curry butter.
Oh my God.
Watch out, get off my shit, don't touch my food, nasty ass fingers. Licking them and shit.
My fingers ain't nasty.
You dip that an extra couple times, nah.
He's a hater.
Y'all, that's that curry sauce right there. If y'all wanna know how we made the curry sauce, comment down below, yeah.
You feel me? Let me see what I pull out of here. Damn, this one all shriveled up. Stringy. Look, y'all. It's something, though.
Let me get that one.
How you sound?
Look what they be at right here. In these parts.
Yeah, but they got that thick part in the middle.
It be right here too. This be the good part, y'all. Who like the little part that attached the leg and shit? I don't know what it is. Got a thigh. That's a knee.
You said it touched the leg?
I said it connect them.
Oh, this juicy part of here? Yeah, I'll eat it. I used to didn't eat it until I saw you eating it. Oh, we can eat
it? Yeah, you can eat it. Duh.
We can eat all that?
This meat. This meat in it. I don't know if y'all know about it, but y'all can eat this part.
Cause I didn't. What's that,
I get all the meat out.
What's some little red things? Do people be sucking their head?
Oh, crawfish.
Yeah, would you eat them?
I don't know.
I wonder what they taste like. Oh.
We had to ask Funny Mike and them.
They eat them?
We gonna see them in Houston. We gonna go to Houston.
That'll be like, they lay down there? They lay down there already?
I don't think. think they bought a move down there.
That'll be what?
Everybody tell Funny Mike to collab with Dolce and Nesha. What the fuck? That shit looked nasty at first, yeah.
Alright, what story time we gonna give these folks to die?
Which one you want to give them?
I don't know what stories do we have. Our first was.
Y'all, we been falling back on the videos lately because we don't want to do too much too soon, you feel me? And we don't know if we boring. We don't want to get boring to y'all, so we fell back a little bit, you feel me? But if y'all want us to turn back up, say turn back up to the max in the comments, you feel me? Because we gonna turn all the way back up if y'all want us to.
Yeah.
But we don't know if y'all getting bored with us or not, so that's why we fell back a little bit.
We don't want it.
But let us know in the comments if y'all want to say turn up. Say turn up in the comments, y'all. Everybody repeat it if y'all want us to drop them bangers back to back again. Because they here, you feel me? They ain't going nowhere, you hear me?
Not at all. Y'all, we need to open our own crab restaurant.
These boys, dang.
Thank you.
I don't eat all of them.
But it's my second time grabbing one. I don't do that.
Oh, I'm about to say.
Yeah, how many times did you grab one?
None. I only grabbed one leg thing. I did.
He be lying. I be taking all of them from me.
No, I don't. I don't take none. I'm about to take something now, though. Because it's that go, you feel me? Some of that. Oh, these boys bang, especially with a salad, too. You got to crack them boys like this.
This ain't got nothing in it.
Oh, that one was about to die then.
Was it?
Yeah. You eating the dead one.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
but we could have got crawfish from the one little spot. Remember we went to Boiler 69?
Oh, yeah, 65.
65. Hey, y'all, comment down below, too. Yo, this is like one of them comment down below videos. I'm going to keep telling y'all to comment down below.
Down below.
But now I forget what I was about to tell y'all to comment down below.
You sure something about?
Oh, yeah, like what story times y'all want? Do y'all want story times? Do y'all want to start doing story times on here and what y'all watching?
Yeah.
Comment down below and let us know. Everything I'm asking y'all, just comment down below. Cause we trying to do what y'all like on the channel, y'all.
Y'all can't just comment, yeah. Y'all gotta be specific because you said y'all comment down below about a lot of stuff.
So hopefully y'all watch the whole video so y'all can know what y'all need y'all to comment down below.
Down
No
below.
more everybody that watched this video, like, give it a like, you feel me?
Why not?
That help a lot on you. That'll help us a lot on YouTube. There's likes and comments and all that.
Yeah.
Y'all can dislike too if y'all don't like it, but you feel me?
Oh, yeah, I got me a juicy.
No, you got your juicy. Look at all that meat in there though.
Ooh.
I got me a juicy too down there. Sorry. You
Real
got stinking
my
ass Gucci. I said Gucci. You got
But then I
stinking.
need a dish.
Mm-hmm.
Woo. Let me shut up.
Shut up. Y'all need some drama right now. We ain't gonna tell y'all about it though.
I'm in some drama. I'm in some fighting.
No, you can tell them
y'all.
about that. You can tell them about your little drama. You ain't gotta put no names on it or nothing.
Y'all got these one hating that. Oh, that's right.
But yeah, you can talk about that.
Yo, I got beef.
Yeah, Nesha definitely got beef.
I got these two
They're talking about
girls.
spitting in our kids' face and everything.
Yeah,
y'all.
when you talk about my kids, you do the most. Okay, that's just a no-no.
You do the most. Hey, you do the most.
That's
hey.
the most. So like it's on site.
It's on
Period.
site.
On site.
Period.
Dogging.
But why anybody say period poo no, y'all?
Dogging. Okay.
But let them know what happened though. You ain't gotta say no names and nothing though.
I'm gonna have to say who and who.
You ain't gotta say who. You gotta say boom, boom, boom.
All right. So my little sister got into some shit naive. Right. Y'all know me. I'm big sis, so I gotta check shit. That's what I did. And then somebody on the phone acting like a soft little pussy.
You talking all crazy.
I'm just playing, y'all. Alright, so somebody on the phone, y'all, they was acting all soft, like it wasn't no problems, this and that. But you know how females is. Hop right off the phone, call the next person and tell you what they said, blah, blah, blah. So the girl, she called me, blowing my phone up, non-stop, attitude bad, talking trash, like trash, y'all, for real, so. Talking about my dead brother.
Everything.
Talking about my kids. Talking about, like, because I was telling her, like, pull up. Like, for real. Like, all that arguing, just pull up. We arguing over the phone for what? So, she said she about to go to her sister's house. So I'm like, okay, I'll meet you there. Steady saying she going. Somebody don't bring them bastard ass kids because I'm going to spit on them. Huh?
Bastard.
Bad, like, you don't even know what a bastard
Yeah,
is.
people be slow or something. Like, I like
My
bastards
kids live in the
when I'm
house with their mom and their dad, honey. Where's your daddy? Huh? Where's your kid's daddy?
Ain't none of my kids no bastards. All my kids.
Yo, this girl got 4 kids and they all got a different daddy. 2 of them, she don't know who they is.
Damn!
Damn, okay.
You know what?
Like, come on now. And then the other goofy called herself, taking it upon herself to decorate my brother's grave. Like, you didn't even mess with my brother, okay? You don't like my brother?
What you do?
I took that shit down. Threw that shit into the garbage. Thank you very much for your wasted time and your money, honey.
And what you find?
$10. And a receipt. Talking about she bought a dish.
Oh,
She bought
shit.
a dish, okay, from Dollar Tree. That ain't even gonna work with that coochie, okay?
That shit gonna give infections.
Okay, like-
Dollar Tree.
First of all,
I'm supposed to never put nothing up in you from Dollar Tree.
I mean, I ain't got
Fuck.
nothing against nobody who dish, but me personally, I don't do that because I don't stink. I don't know if you need it because you stink.
I don't know what that shit is probably well.
I mean, a little soap and water
Cleanse your
clean
little
me.
inside
Soap and water do me nice, okay?
But sometimes people inside be stinking.
Yeah, she probably because her sister funky and when you got a disease, that's what happened.
But then they said I gave Nesha a disease before.
Talking about Danny gave me chlamydia and gonorrhea. That's what everybody's saying.
And I never
Like,
had
y'all
disease.
know, when people hate and they can't find nothing else to talk about, they spread rumors and all that. So that's what's the rumor. But I mean,
That sounds
hey,
stupid.
yo nigga gay, so.
And that was like 7 years ago when we first got together, they tried to say.
And then them and their kids got diseases.
That was stupid.
Are they goofy, y'all?
Don't even get on the kids. Let them say what they want to say. We ain't gonna bring the
But
kids
yeah,
on our
y'all.
channel.
So it's on site. Okay, that's all I gotta say because you did too much. You told me you was gonna spit on my kids, so now I'm gonna beat you in your face and then spit on you. Okay?
Yo, what would y'all do if somebody tell y'all gonna then spit on y'all kids? What would y'all do in the comments? Would y'all be mad like Nesha?
I was gonna kill her. That's what I was gonna do. Sorry. I swear to God. She was getting shot.
I wasn't gonna let Nesha shoot her to see what that was gonna take her away from Nesha. Yo, so Nesha, she gotta think before she be hot-headed. She gotta think.
When somebody spit on your kids, ain't no thinking. I'm sorry.
But I got shot before, you feel me?
I'm sorry. That was the first thought that came to my head. You getting shot right in your face, bitch. Spit on my kids. Try me. But yeah. Then,
But I know nobody never saw her spit on my
yeah,
kid.
she's goofy for that one. Real goofy.
But then what?
Yeah. The other one, I'm ugly. Who told you was cute? Talking about something.
Hey, why you on YouTube?
Talking about she look better than me. Y'all gotta see her.
They seen her,
Y'all seen her, but yeah.
but they don't know what we talking about.
Y'all gonna find out when we fight. The fight gonna be on here.
You know,
For sure. Why?
you gonna be on Instagram probably. You about to fuck this channel up.
Well, y'all better go follow them Instagrams if y'all want to stay up on that beat.
DOLCE216.
_Nesha1 Nesha 1 1. Y'all figure it out. I don't know. Not to be rude, but I just don't know. What is it? Nesha 1. Yeah. So go follow us to keep up with the beat. Cause it ain't stopping until I see them, y'all. And then they some big hoes at that. So, but I ain't scared, cause you know what? I ain't fighting fair either. You feel me?
You feel me?
I'm gonna pick up whatever I can.
I don't know who you think you is. You feel me?
You feel me? Because
You from New York, huh?
you feel me? Nah, for real, you.
Oh, Cardi B here.
Nah. Nesha. More like Nesha Marie. Oh. But yeah,
You
y'all.
should be feeling me. Ooh.
So yesterday, the one like you do YouTube. Like
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I think we all know that. Goofy, right?
Like there's something wrong with doing YouTube.
Yeah,
now.
then the other one today talking about some, you a YouTube star, you a YouTube star. Like,
Like, what is them
y'all
threats?
sound stupid. Talking about you rich. Like, talking about my kid, change my kid's clothes. Like, girl, do your daughter hair. Grow your daughter hair. No, I ain't gonna talk about nobody kids. Let me stop.
Yeah, nobody cares.
Yeah, we ain't doing that. But yeah.
We leave that for the haters.
Let them do that.
You gotta be the bigger person, yeah, man. I don't care about what you say about them, yeah.
Yeah. But one of them stayed right down the street, so I told her to pull up. She was like, she wasn't trying to pull up, she was just talking, y'all. The other one, they both was just all talking. The other one, like, you gonna get your A, B, what you say, I'ma slam you. You're not gonna touch me.
You ain't let no big girl grab you.
At all, it's not gonna happen.
She grabbed you, it was over with. What did you say? You ain't want me no juice? Nah.
Oh, my hands all dirty. Yeah, that ain't happening, y'all. So,
damn.
Y'all about to see Lil Nesha in action for real. Stay tuned.
Ain't about to do shit.
I promise you. She
ain't about to do shit, y'all.
They did too much, y'all. And y'all watching, so I want to tell you the one dummy, shout out for the $10.
Yeah, they watching, right?
I ain't need it.
I'm gonna put it in the title so they can watch it.
Oh, yeah, I ain't need it, but you know, I got it.
I got me one, look.
Good looking.
Got me one. This is a little worm. Eating you.
Talking about my kids' hair nappy, girl. Please.
Yeah, dreads.
My little kids' hair my little ones that ain't got dreads got good hair, right. Hair longer than theirs, probably. The one sister ain't got no edges. She one of them girls that blame it on the perms. My mama gave me a perm when I was little. Girl.
It was little, like, what, 30 years ago, mama?
Damn. Overgrown, yeah.
Overgrown face hair.
The one always calling my phone begging for rides and money and like, girl, stop it. But now you be.
They gonna make an exposed video about you, better stop.
Just stay exposed video. They ain't about that life. I want them to pull up.
We ain't that big anyway for them to make no exposed.
I just want them to pull up.
We can't expose shit anyway.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Nobody about to pull up.
I threw her little decorations right. So listen, y'all. My brother was a transgender, right? Rest his soul. But this girl gonna say, today gay pride. I ain't see none of y'all post none for gay pride. First, so that's what she went and decorated his grave with some gay colors, y'all. First of all, she fake because she didn't like my brother, okay? When my brother was here, we didn't celebrate no gay pride. So just because he dead, that mean we gotta celebrate it? That's fake, right? Y'all know I ain't fake. Okay.
Remember to eat all the things.
Stop playing.
Cause you talking and shit.
You
grimy as fuck. Big hair there.
But yeah,
you just gonna leave me all low and I get two? Grimy.
Then what's empty?
Yeah.
These ain't empty.
Them little ass things, what am I gonna do with those?
You better get the little meat out there.
Fuck that, I ain't gonna struggle.
Yeah, y'all, ain't that fake though? Like if you didn't celebrate gay pride when he was alive, why would you do it now? We not gay, so what we celebrating for? Just because he did, that's hypocritical and fake.
Hypocritical?
Hypocritic. Ooh, got me a Dolce.
No, juicy. Oh, you said Dolce?
Juicy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hell no. Y'all want to see more mukbangs or y'all want to see us eat different stuff? Let us know what y'all want to see us eat.
Y'all don't eat nothing different. I love me some crab legs.
Y'all do too.
So if y'all run into us in y'all city, y'all better treat us to some crab legs. Take us to y'all crab leg spot. Because ours nasty. We gotta make them ourselves.
Yeah, but lobster crabs don't taste like mine.
The last time we went, they was tripping.
They scammies be good, but they crab legs be like watered down.
This one.
Oh, I got me a Joseph!
Do it!
Watch out, move. Damn, you already took all the other ones.
I didn't take nothing.
Cold ass butter.
It is. All this getting cold.
It is, though. But y'all, we about to end this video right here,
we
y'all.
is? We ain't done. They want to see all that.
Now go ahead.
Y'all want to see all this eating.
Go ahead.
Right, y'all?
I know y'all wanted to see all this, yeah?
Yeah, they told me. Like, why y'all be eating y'all butt bags so early?
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did. So y'all need to be done.
They don't say that shit.
So you happy about it? They want to do that?
No, I haven't.
They want me to eat.
They want me to eat.
I'm going to tell y'all, if y'all ain't had crab legs yet, y'all don't know what y'all missing. Y'all better get in on this action. Crab legs is the
You didn't even touch your salad.
I did. I've been eating it.
Only thing about crab legs, your whole hands get fucked up. And
Yeah.
You can't do nothing else. I don't know how we was gonna do a Q&A.
Right.
We gotta do that on our own.
I would put the phone on to where it don't cut off.
Oh yeah.
And then just go like that.
And just roll up, you
feel me? Do you feel me? Yo, I need some prank ideas.
I need something too, y'all. Comment down below. Not down below.
Yeah, hit us
Go to
up.
DOLCE 216, y'all, and give me some prank
He
ideas.
be straight curving me, y'all. Like,
Tell them your shit. You
I
right
just
here.
scored Nesha
Some
one.
prank work. Think about it. Had them go to your shit too.
You weren't even thinking about it.
I was thinking about it.
I just said it. You like, hey, go to my Instagram.
Go to my Insta.
Yo, we got a lot of haters, man.
Then we got a whole lot.
It's funny.
Yeah.
It says I've been beefing with these two girls. Because they ain't nobody when they girl. These two girls. They, yo, she said, she called me SpongeBob. Like, she ain't had no jokes. So, like, you got red hair. Trailer park trash. Like, what? You sound goofy.
That sounds stupid.
Real stupid.
Trailer park trash.
So much she look better than me, her body better than me, y'all gotta see her, man. Y'all gonna be like, girl, stop.
Just saying.
You wish you look like my girl, Nay.
That video got 30,000 views. They saying.
Y'all better go find the video with 30,000 members. You got a girl in it. And then the other one's so big and like they so stank, y'all. Now the one known for stinking. So I told her, like, if you think you about to come fight me, take a shower first. Shot. No, you gonna smell all this stink. I was like, ugh.
Right now you just know you.
Ugh. Big disease head. Like, she redo that disease, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. For real. She nice. They crack me up though, y'all. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm getting everything out right now with y'all. So this is gonna be my last time talking about it until something else pop off. Actually, I ain't talking about it. I'm tired. I don't want to do no more talking. I just want to fight when I see him. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna wash my kids up and continue to be a good ass mama. I'm gonna get on my knees and I'm gonna pray to God to forgive me, give me all this hatred out of my heart, keep all these evil people away from me.
Yep.
And when I see him, I see him. Don't call my phone. I won't call yours. I don't want to argue no more. No point in arguing. Clearly, they're not gonna pull up. We even was gonna meet at the girl's sister's house.
Barely.
Shut up. We was gonna meet at her sister's house. She didn't even pull up over there. Like,
I'm done. Hey y'all, so we about to end this mukbang right here.
I ain't done.
Where we is now?
No.
That's what it is. I got to edit, you know. Let's wait now.
Ain't nothing to edit. No, it ain't. It goes straight up. You need a... Oh, yeah, I don't want to get copyrighted.
You can sing. Just the fuck you can.
If they catch on to the words,
You can sing.
they copyright you. You
You can
copyright.
sing, trust me.
You can copyright it for anything nowadays.
Sing, I was about to sing too.
Go ahead and sing it.
I don't know it. I was gonna follow your lead.
Oh.
You need a girl in your
A real
life.
one in your life. Let me treat you right. Make it. I'm a.
Y'all, if y'all want to see a dancing video, comment down below too, cause me and Nesha gonna do a dance video for y'all. We're gonna do the best
Roll
dance.
bed. Order. I'm gonna do order.
I do so.
Okay.
We'll see. If y'all want to see that video, y'all comment. Y'all got to comment what y'all want to see down below, y'all.
Yeah, y'all, we can't.
We want to do what y'all want to. We want. Damn. We don't want to just keep doing all pranks back to back for y'all.
At all. We do what y'all watch. So if y'all want something specific, y'all know y'all gonna watch, let us know. So we can get that done for y'all. Oh, I just dropped one way somewhere and I'm gonna have to find it. Darn it. I think it went under the couch. I'm gonna leave it there and see what happens.
No, the fuck you not.
This your room.
No, that.
You do clean up the living room, bro.
So?
So you gotta do it. Ha! Get you like that. Like I'll find it. What would you do if I was a nasty chick? You would cheat on me?
I would never get with you.
You wouldn't know.
I would, no.
No, you wouldn't. What if I was nasty now?
You is nasty now.
Oh. How?
I don't know, it's not to end this video though, it's too long.
It's not.
It's time to end it. Alright, y'all, we love y'all.
Boo!
What you mean, boo? This ain't live. Go live if you want to talk.
I can't go live.
Alright, y'all, we love y'all. We about to keep these videos rolling. Nesha about to go live right now. Let's get it, gang, gang.
They ain't gonna. Peace, y'all.